How to find minimum value in Sentinel control repetition? In this question, to find and display the oldest age, you can refer to the statement that is highlighted with red color. Now, to find the youngest age means that it requires you to find minimum age. So, there are three elements that you need to add in the pseudocode that are initialization, formula, and print min. First, initialization. So I can write it in this way. You must set the initial value of the minimum to the highest value. In this case, I set min to 999. Second, write the formula that is used to find the minimum value. Therefore, the formula is if age less than min, min equal to age. The formula is written before the update input. It is up to you whether you want to write the formula for max first or min first. The important thing is, if you want to find maximum value and minimum value, you must use single if. You cannot use if else because you won't get the right answer. I will explain to you about this later. Don't forget to write and if. Last, write the print min after and while, as we only want to print the value of the min only once. Now, I will show you how the statement is executed in if-else construct. So, the first input, for example, this is the input given that are 20, 30, 40 and -1. So, the first input is 20. And while 20 is not equal to -1, so it is true. Then it will check this statement. If 20 is greater than 0, so it is true and it will store the maximum value as 20. So the block for else is not executed because in if-else construct, once the condition for if is true, then it will not execute the else statement. If the condition for if is false, so this statement is not executed. Then the block statement for else will be executed. So this block will be executed. Next, you have to enter the second input, that is 30. And the program will repeat continuously until the condition for while is false. Then only it will stop the loop. So the value for min is remain at 999 and the maximum value is 40. In this case, the minimum value is incorrect. That's why you cannot use if else construct. Next you have here is single if construct. Let's say the input given are 20, 30, 40 and -1. So the first input is 20. And while 20 not equal to -1, so it is true. Then it will check this statement. If 20 is greater than 0, so it is true and it will store the maximum value as 20. So this is true, then it will store the maximum value as 20. Since this is single if statement, so the program will execute this second single if statement. So if 20 is less than 999, so it is true and it will store the minimum value to 20. Next, you have to enter the second input, that is 30. And the program will repeat continuously until the condition for while is false. Then only it will stop the loop. So you will get maximum value as 40 and minimum value is 20. That's why you have to use single if construct.